Okay, so this video is for Objective 7. Users should be able to easily navigate between different parts of the app. What we're going to do is we're going to check we have the main navbar works and the different parts of the other parts of the application alongside the main navbar work, and go through each page and make sure it's accessible. So I'm going to restart the server. Okay, it's running. Well, I'm already signed in on this account. So there's a couple of test cases in this one. First, we're going to check the About page, then the Chats page, and the Create Group page, sign out, sign in, group options, group invites, sign up. Then we're going to check that different chats can be navigated between. So essentially, using this little group list here. So, okay, so first one, About page. So you can see a very nice About page, and we've been able to navigate to that pretty easily. Then we'll go to the Chats page, and we can navigate to that easily. Of course, we're going to check the group list in its own little test. So that test case, the chats test case, has been passed. Okay, next one is create group. Okay, we were able to navigate to that pretty easily. Now sign out. I've even been signed out, and that was easy to navigate to that. Now we can check the sign in page, which we were redirected to, which means that is accessible. And of course, I could go to About, and I could go back to sign in. And of course, that's accessible. Because this is from the browser's password manager, because I don't remember the password for this account. Obviously, you can type in password, normally. And of course, we have separate testing videos for. There are separate testing videos for the user authentication system part of the application. Okay, and I was able to sign in. And next part, we're going to check the group options panel. So I'm going to go to free groups. I'm going to check that we can access the options panel for each of them. Yep, we were able to check the options panel. I'm going to try this one now. We were able to do that. Yeah, now for this. And we were able to do that. Now we're going to check the group invites page and see if that's accessible. And we are able to do that. And we can easily switch between received and outgoing invitations. Okay, and now I'm going to check the sign up page. It's accessible from the sign in page. And of course, I'll go back to About, so I can go back in and sign up. We were able to do that from the main navbar, and we were able to do that. Now I'm just going to sign back in so we can do the last test case, is just to check the group list functionality and make sure different chats can be navigated between. Of course, we aren't actually checking whether this displays the correct data. In fact, we did that in the previous test video. And we're just going to check that we can navigate between, since this objective is just navigating different parts of the app, we're just going to make sure we can navigate for different bits. So I can navigate to this group and say hi again. Navigate to this group. I can navigate to this group. Of course, all these links have been really easy to navigate and very accessible and easy to find. Of course, that's an objective measure, but in the evaluation section, there are additional interviews with my users, who, who have also said that the interface was pretty intuitive. But what we can measure objectively is that every page is genuinely accessible. You can click the links and you will be taken to the About page. So that's the final test case, and we were able to navigate to every part of the app easily. And all links work, and navigation was seamless. So that's it for this test video.